Hi guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can set up Apple ID on a new device. So if you have a new device, you will just be given the option that says you need to create a new Apple ID or you can sign in to your old Apple ID account. As you can see, I've already set up my account. So to set up your account, you need an email address and you need to create a strong password, and you also need to enable two-factor authentication to secure your account. You should also set up your account recovery in case you forget your password and you need to have a few options to recover your data. You can set up your legal contact, your automatic verification, and you have finally set up a very secure Apple ID. So guys, that's how you set up Apple ID on a new device. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.